we're going to be talking about getting paid big money for app downloads. This is one of my favorite spaces. This is called mobile CPA marketing, and it's a huge niche. There are affiliates making $100,000 plus per day. Okay, and that's the barometer of a big niche in affiliate marketing. Now I'm going to go over an affiliate network you can join to get mobile app offers. I'm also going to be going over exactly how you can advertise these offers to make big money. Maybe not $100,000 a day. I haven't ever done that, but maybe you can. Let's go into it. Okay, so this is a big money niche right here, and I'm excited to show it to you. This is pretty exciting, and that's affiliate money, by the way, for you. So the first thing you'll want to do is sign up with a CPA network that has mobile app offers. Now, there are a number of CPA networks out there. There are quite a number that have mobile app offers, but we're going to be talking about Above All Offers for the time being, because Above All Offers is one of my favorite CPA networks. I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars with them, and we're going to be talking about that. We're going to be looking at some offers here. Now, keep in mind, the way affiliate marketing works is you market a product and you get paid a commission when somebody takes an action. Now, the commission is, it depends on the action. Sometimes it's somebody signing up for purchasing a product. Sometimes the action is having them sign up for a free trial of a product. Sometimes it's having the person submit a lead, for like a solar company or an insurance company so their salespeople can follow up with it. But in this case, we're going to be talking about mobile app, installing a mobile app so you can get paid real money just for having somebody install an app on their phone. It's that easy. You don't even have to make them pay any money. That's why this niche is so huge. And some of the biggest companies in the world, Facebook, Pokemon Go, have gotten very big because they've paid affiliates money to get them to install apps on their phone and use them, okay? So let's look at some of these apps real quick. So we are here in an affiliate network and we're looking at all of the offers. So what we can see here is this is the commission you will get paid if people install any one of these apps, okay? This is the money you get paid. And the way you can get paid this money from these affiliate networks is they will pay you through PayPal, they will pay you through wire transfer, or they will pay you through Western Union or even Bitcoin if you need. But the thing is, to get into these affiliate networks, you need to be skilled and you need to have somebody refer you oftentimes, because the opportunity for fraudulent activity from affiliates that are not referred is huge. Now, what I can guarantee you this is that if you go through my training course, you will get a referral into these programs, into these CPA networks. If you don't, you can go to a conference and you can meet with these companies at a conference, at an affiliate conference, and what have you. That's the way to get in. But once you're in, this is what the dashboard will look like, and these are the sorts of offers you can get access to. So you'll see just for downloading this app, hookup.com, they will pay you $1.50. Now here's a really good one. Facebook registration, okay? Facebook will pay you 55 cents every time somebody installs their app on their phone in any of these countries. Pakistan, Romania, Egypt, India. I don't know the rest of the countries, but those are the countries I do know, and those are the countries that Facebook is trying to get big in. The reason why Facebook is paying people 55 cents to install those apps on their phones is because they want to break into those countries, and they have a lot of money to pay affiliate marketers to get people installing their Facebook app on their phones in those countries. And you can make that money by helping Facebook market themselves and get them installed on people's phones around the world. So I love floating money. Okay, so let's go on to more offers. So here are some offers that'll pay a little bit more money. So as you see, you can get people to download, these are game apps, or here's an antivirus app in Italy. So that's what IT stands for. So if you get people to download this antivirus app in Italy, you will get paid $5.60. Okay? So there's a lot of money in getting people to install apps, but how do you do it? How do you reach people in these countries to download these apps? Now, first off, it's very easy. Everybody's on their phone, and everybody generally has some ads on their phone. So let's go into the easiest ways. So my favorite way to actually place ads on mobile devices is actually through Volume. So you can go to Volume. This is a company run by a friend of mine. He's one of the wealthiest guys in Poland, I guess, Robert Grimm. And he runs a tracking platform and also a traffic source so that you could buy traffic and advertise on many mobile devices. So this is used by some of the biggest affiliates in the world. Now what you'll see here is when you log into Volume, you will be able to buy traffic. Now to sign up for Volume, it is $69 a month. So you'll need to pay that to get access to this ad network, but it's worth the cost. Now you can buy traffic right here, okay? And you click Buy Traffic. Then go to Set Up DSP Campaign. And what that means is Display Side Provider. It's kind of advanced language, but don't worry about that for now. Let's run banner ads. So let me show you what I did again. I chose my campaign type and I chose banner. Okay. Now what we'll do is we will then advertise our affiliate link in these campaigns. So let's say we say Antivirus USA. And you would enter in your affiliate link, you would enter in all of that information here. I would suggest one per day, frequency capping. And there's a lot more advanced stuff that goes into advertising on mobile devices, but you would set your targeting, who you want it to show to, you'd select the places you want your ads to show, the budget, and the creatives. Frankly, it's very cheap. You can show your ads to thousands of people for pennies, and it's really exciting. So to create your ad then, I would suggest you use something like Canva. Canva is free, okay? Canva is, you can Google it. You can find Canva right here. That's what it looks like, and it is a free design tool. What you'll want to do is you'll want to design a banner, a mobile banner, and basically, write an ad or copy an ad if you found some ads that are high converting. Generally speaking, antivirus ads, you're going to say something like, your phone may have a virus, download this app right now to check. Now, I don't have enough time to go into all of the specificities of advertising as an affiliate and split testing and optimizing data, but if you want to learn more, I encourage you, slam that subscribe button, subscribe to this channel, make sure you check out more of my videos on affiliate marketing, and comment below. If you are interested in app marketing, type in, I want more app marketing, because I want to know if you want more app marketing, I will show you more app marketing in future videos. And if you want to learn more today about how to get that affiliate money, how to make money as an affiliate marketer, I have no employees, people. I have no technical skills. I have no product. I have none of that stuff, but I'm able to make a lot of money working from the internet because I've tapped in a very valuable marketing or business model that allows me to project my fingers and my ads all over the world and make money working from my home computer. And if you want to learn more about that, make sure to check out the description below. I have a 6-week training course which I put up for people if they want to learn a little bit more about how to get started in this affiliate marketing business model. Now again, I want more app marketing. Subscribe, like, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see in future videos. Talk soon. Peace.